Instagram doesn't push originality, it pushes shareability. AI can help you create reels faster, but speed alone won't make people share. In this video, I will show you how to use AI to make Instagram reels that actually get shared, saved, and replayed. So, why reels die even with good AI? Most AI reels fail because they are informational, they explain too much, they lack emotion. Instagram shares happen when someone feels understood, someone feels smart sharing it, someone feels seen. AI must amplify emotion, not logic. Share-worthy AI reel format, top format, relatable, paint visuals, quite aesthetic loops, text-first storytelling, unexpected visual metaphors, minimal voice, strong captions. Worst format, tutorial-heavy reels, corporate AI videos, or long explanations. Inside, people share what represents them. Okay? Uh, Now, using AI to create emotion, not noise. AI should simplify visuals, exaggerate contrast, slow pacing. Good AI real traits, soft motion, natural imperfections, simple framing. Tip: Instagram rewards calm more than hype. Okay. Now, caption psychology that drives shares. Okay. Bad caption would be how AI can help your business. A good captions would be like nobody prepares you for this part. Save this, you will need it later. This hit harder than expected. Okay. Hack. Write captions like journal entries. Okay, not headlines. Now, scaling AI reels without killing reach. Don't batch 50 identical videos, over template everything. Do rotate hooks. Keep one emotion per reel. Post consistently. Okay. Truth. Reels growth is repetition with restraint. Okay. AI won't make your reels viral. Understanding people will. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.